Hey, Oksana is with you, and today we'll tell you which mistake you can make training for this challenge when you stand up from your sitting position. Actually, it's not easy at all. And the first mistake is to give up when you will fall down on your glute the first time you will. you will. Second mistake, when you make this position, don't put your legs too far away from your glute. It's not possible to stand up like this. Put them as much closer as you can and cross them. Yeah, the weight is better. And then just don't. Hip balance is also important. That's why I am asking you always train your balance. Put your feet as much closer as you can to your glute. And then make this impulse. Opa. You see? Not always it's perfect. But then you train and train and train, and you can. It's important not to stop. Your body is a perfect machine, and you can train your muscles always. Let's train with mind. Let's train together.